During my graduation, we were taught traditional advertising, but the industry demanded digital skills. So finding a job in the digital marketing domain was a challenge for me. I thought a certification in digital marketing would help me get a job, and it did. After the course, I was hired by Pantelope as a digital media specialist with a 20% salary hike. And now I'm finally doing what I like. Hey, I'm Isaiah Moehring. I live in Arizona in the United States. I did my graduation in 2020 in strategic communications from Northern Arizona University. In 2020, I joined Nova Home Loans as a trailing documents coordinator and worked there for almost a year. In fact, I worked at various places as a student, but after graduation, I couldn't find a job in my field of study or anything that aligned with my interests. I gave tens of interviews, but without any luck. The reason? I lacked practical skills. On top of that, I had no certification in digital marketing in particular. So last year, I decided to upskill myself with a professional certificate program in digital marketing offered by Simplilearn in collaboration with Purdue University. I think it was a very good decision. I really liked the curriculum. It helped me enhance my knowledge and skills. Last year itself, after the course, I was hired by Pantelope as a digital media specialist with a 20% salary hike. And this year, I was promoted to digital marketing account manager. I finally found my footing in the digital marketing domain, and I think the certification had a huge role to play. This certification helped me pursue my desired career path. I can use my skills and experience to become a freelance digital marketer one day. Upskilling has helped me turn my dream into a reality.